what's on. And firstly, I hope everyone's keeping well and safe during this lockdown. Who'd have thought we'd have been saying that a few weeks ago? But here we are at the end of our first 3 weeks, looking like it's just been extended for another 3 weeks, which is one of those things we just have to put up with. I hope everyone's been able to keep safe and well and been able to keep a little bit active and been able to use the time a little bit constructively. Hopefully getting in contact with friends that you haven't been in touch with before, maybe making new friends, maybe getting out for the odd walk that you can do from your home so that you get that little bit of exercise and appreciate what we have that's good in our lives even though we're in lockdown. Obviously my plans have changed quite terrifically. I didn't actually get off the marina in time before the lockdown happened. However, that has had its bonuses. I've been able to get a lot of work done on the boat, which I was possibly going to put off till the end of the season. Painting anchor chains, polishing the hull, finishing off the cabinet in the aft cabin. And I've also had the real benefit that my son's down here with me at the moment down on the pontoon, so I've had a little bit of company, which is exceptionally nice, because otherwise living on something that's 10 metres long and just over 3.5 metres wide would possibly get a little bit confined. However, to make that a little bit better as well for me, I am lucky that living right on the coast, I do have a superb, ideal way of having my little bit of exercise. So I can either go for a little walk around the point every day, or I can go off for my little swim, one or the other, so I get my one bit of exercise. So have a look at the video, hope you enjoy, and I will catch you at the end. Thank you very much. So as you can see, I'm probably one of the lucky ones. I've got a good life. The sun's been shining. I'm living on a boat. I've got the coast right on my doorstep, and I can get out and enjoy it sort of once a day, which is superb. I know not everyone's as lucky as that. Bear with it. We will all be able to get back outside again and do all the plans that we want to do, and have all the little adventures that we want to have. And hopefully, I said, we might appreciate the outdoors a little bit more, look after it a little bit more, treat it with a bit more respect, keep it tidy and clean. There's certainly been a lot less litter around whilst I've been out walking this last 3 weeks. So keep well, keep safe. I'll catch you again in probably another 3 weeks at the end of the next stage of lockdown, because my life is pretty monotonous and you don't really want to watch that all the time. So see you soon, keep well, thank you very much.